project in the Kenton neighborhood of Portland. This is a new construction home that we did with a few other houses that we did kind of at the same time as this project. This is the last one that we listed for sale and the last one that we have sold. This one is actually pending and closing shortly here, but just wanted to kind of walk you guys through and show you what we did on this one.
So right when you walk in, the first thing you'll notice is this like beautiful arched entry, which just gives a nice European kind of feel and just adds a little extra something. Here is the powder bathroom. This is the bathroom that your guests will use, that you'll use when you're on the main level. So it's kind of a fun place to do something extra. So in this bathroom, we did this beautiful woodwork on the bottom, and then we tiled with this marble herringbone mosaic all the way to the ceiling. And then you can see we also did a hanging pendant light. Off of the entry is your living area. We also have this fireplace here with electrical wired above, so you can put your TV there if you would like. But again, the same marble herringbone mosaic as was used in the powder bath. It's just a nice, timeless, you really can't go wrong with marble. Have a little space where your dining area would most likely go. And a kitchen. The kitchen, we have a really nice deep island here with enough space underneath for ample leg room for all types of people who might be sitting there. We also have cabinetry that goes all the way to the ceiling. This is really a great way to maximize space storage. So the top is where you would put your serving dishes, the things that you aren't using on a day-to-day basis, and then lower you would put things like your plates and glasses that you're using more often. We have our sink here, looking out into this great open space. Dishwasher. On our range wall, we have this integrated hood fan that is built into the cabinetry with this custom design that we put together specifically for this house. And then the refrigerator here with the microwave right next to it. Upstairs in the hallway, we have just a simple hall bath that would be used by the bedrooms other than the master bedroom in this home, which I believe there are 2 bedrooms in addition to the master, so 3 bedrooms total. But just really serene, subtle colors in here. Nothing too crazy. But just a peaceful, bright bathroom that I think is appealing to a lot of different tastes. This is your master bedroom and master suite. There is a coffered ceiling in this bedroom. See, it looks out to the backyard. And the master bathroom has a double sink vanity with these beautiful sconce lights on either side of the mirror. Sconces just kind of elevate a bathroom and add something a little bit more refined. So the shower, we did a mud set shower with a tile floor and then tile all the way up. And you'll notice the tile on the shower floor is the same tile as we have in the rest of the bathroom. It's a nice master closet here. Finally, we have this lovely bonus space upstairs.
So that's pretty much the house. We really love how this one turned out. This is a beautiful street, a beautiful neighborhood. We've really enjoyed doing this project, and we're just happy to finally see the finished product and to be able to walk away knowing that a family will be moving into a lovely home. Let us know if you have any questions, and definitely make sure to check us out some of our other projects at dbsportland.com. Thanks.